My name is Tim with OS College, and this is your LibreOffice tip of the day. This is LibreOffice Math, and this is going to be done in Linux Mint for Linux Mint Thursday. Today's tip is really simple. You have this elements panel, but if you ever want to make this disappear, simply click View and make sure this elements checkbox does not have a check in it. And just to reverse that, go back to View if this is absent and you want to see it, and click the elements item so it has a check in it, and the panel is restored. And that's your tip of the day. Every day, OS College creates a new video about a LibreOffice application, and every day it's done in a different operating system. Today is Linux Mint Thursday. To learn more about LibreOffice, visit the OS College website or the LibreOffice website. Both are in the description for this video. Thank you for watching.